Hi guys, how are we all doing? I'm the Grey Gardener, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about quotes, and this isn't a video about how to quote. I've done videos on that, and this isn't about sort of pricing jobs. I've done lots of videos on them as well, so feel free to go ahead and check those out. So what this video is going to be about is win ratios. So the theory kind of goes that you should be winning around 70% of your quotes. That indicates that you're not too expensive, you're not too cheap, you're about right. Now I don't necessarily keep track of that. It'd be interesting anyone out there who does. In terms of working out your percentages and things, all I know is I'm not winning every quote, but I'm getting the majority of them. It could be around the 70% mark. So first thing I want to ask you is, do you agree with that principle that you shouldn't necessarily win every quote? Obviously, in not winning every quote, you're going to be, well, some might say you're wasting your time. Obviously, you're going out, you're spending fuel. Going to visit that property, the garden, it's your time. It's obviously the nature of the job though, so it's got to be done really. Or do you aim to win every single quarter? That would be interesting as well. And I've just completed my first year, so we're in March now, coming up to the second year. I'd say your first year, you're getting to grips with your pricing. As I say, I've done some pricing videos on what to look for when you're going to price up a job, and I've actually given some examples of actual prices, and I'll tell you the price. I'm quite upfront and honest about that, so as I say, feel free to check those out. But during your first year, as I say, you're getting to grips with that, and it's quite hard. You might kind of price a little bit too low. You might be, I certainly was, like when I first started, you were kind of, because you maybe doubt your ability. I'm not sure, you might not have confidence in yourself, or you just, I don't know, it's a funny one, but I was definitely charging a little bit less. Going into this season, I've got the van, I've got my uniform, I feel as a business more well rounded. So when you're talking to the customers and you're approaching the customers, I personally feel like I can charge a little bit more now, and they'll probably expect it to be a little bit more as well, because you hopefully look the part and all the rest of it. So as you go on, you should be kind of getting to grips a little bit more with your pricing, especially when you're just pricing a general lawn cut, for example. There's still jobs now that I go to, and I've got no idea on how to price it basically, so I just ask myself kind of how long do you think it'll take us, and once I've got a price in my head, I just ask myself, am I happy doing it for that price? And quite often that'll be the price I give. So yeah, I'll end that one there. Again, if you can let us know your comments, because I really enjoy reading through, and it creates a good debate. As I say, I've got lots more to this channel, so if you're new here, feel free to check that out, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.